U.S. Air Force is testing the deadliest Rapid Dragon bomb. The U.S. Air Force on Thursday destroyed a target in the Gulf of Mexico with a cruise missile launched from the back of a cargo aircraft, marking the first live-fire test of its Rapid Dragon program. The final flight test of Rapid Dragon, which took place at the Overwater Test Range at Eglin Air Force Base in Florida, marks a step forward in the Air Force Strategic Development Planning and Experimentation Office's Bomb Bay in a Box effort to develop a palletized munition system. The Air Force Research Laboratory said in a Thursday release the program could lead to the U.S. and allies being able to turn cargo aircraft into heavily armed bomb trucks, as well as give combatant commanders more firepower to turn on enemy targets from a safe distance. Last month, the Air Force carried out a similar test with an unarmed long-range cruise missile separation test vehicle, which had no warhead or engine. This time, the cruise missile carried by an Air Force Special Operations Command MC-130J Commando M2 aircraft was armed, AFL said in the release. The battle management system on the MC-130 received new targeting data in flight, and then that data was routed to the cruise missile flight test vehicle. This was the first time new targeting data was received and uploaded to a live cruise missile during a flight. When the MC-130 had reached the drop zone over the Gulf of Mexico, its crew airdropped the palletized munition system containing a single cruise missile and 3 weights simulating the mass and shape of cruise missiles. A parachute deployed to stabilize the falling Rapid Dragon system, and the missile and 3 dummy weights began to release sequentially to avoid collisions. The way in which the cruise missile separated from the deployment box this time was unconventional, AFL said. It deployed vertically with its nose down. The cruise missile immediately sprung its wings and tail, got aerodynamic control of itself, fired up its engine and pulled up under the engine's power. It then headed toward its target, which it destroyed upon impact, AFL said. Now that AFL proved it can deploy a cruise missile in this way, it hopes to show the palletized weapon system can work with other aircraft. The next Rapid Dragon experiment is scheduled for spring 2022 in a live fire test with a cruise missile from a C-17 Globemaster.